Nitro coffee, bomb. Nitro cold brew, goated. Nitro cocktails, sick. We have another Wacky Daiquiri first. Very good drinks first. Today we're gonna make a Nitro Daiquiri. In order to make this work, we're going to take advantage of a couple of things. We have an ISI whipped cream canister. It is made for whipped cream and not nitrogen, which I believe is 3 times higher atmospheric pressure than CO2. I haven't told Demi this yet.
Yeah.
There is a high possibility of explosions. Very exciting.
Is that true?
The other thing that we're going to be utilizing is pineapple liqueur that we made here on the channel that has really nice frothy properties. The last thing we're going to be doing is going to make this just kind of over the top, adding a little bit of espresso. Coffee also has quite a bit of foaming capabilities, as you may know. With all that being said, let's make a pineapple coffee nitro daiquiri. A nitro coffee pineapple daiquiri. You in?
I can't believe you didn't tell me that there was like a possibility.
I was afraid that you would shut this down. I've kept everything in the freezer in order to, that is super cold, which is a good thing. 2 reasons why everything has been freezing. The colder the liquid, the better the gas will dissolve into it, giving us a much better, creamier infusion of nitrogen. Gas is less, it will move around less the colder it is. That will also prevent explosions. We're gonna start with a pretty basic daiquiri build. 1-to-1 Turbinado syrup for this one. We're making 2 drinks. I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces of Turbinado, 1.5 ounces of lime juice. This is super lime juice I made today. 2 ounces of aged cachaca. 2 ounces of our pineapple liqueur. 1.5 ounces of our espresso. For dilution, we're doing 20% dilution-ish. So I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces. It's a little less than 20%, but should be good. Yeah, that's nice, not too sweet. Going in, nice and tight. Get all the gas incorporated. And then we're just gonna pop this in the freezer and get it super, super cold and ready for us to pour. It was sitting overnight in the freezer. I had to let it kind of come to temp a little bit. Now it's liquid again. Let's check it out. This is so cold. Here it is. It smells pineapple-y. It's good. Tastes like a daiquiri, a little bit of like a creamy texture. Not as crisp and refreshing as a normal daiquiri, but still lots of those like tropical citrusy flavors. After trying this, I really, really enjoy it. I don't want to undersell how good it is. It's really good. The texture, it's probably the most like velvety. Come on, I don't want that. No.
Okay, what are you talking about?
The most like velvety, creamy texture like daiquiri I've ever had, which is nice. I don't know if it's like what you want when you're craving a daiquiri necessarily. I've tried daiquiris with like 2-to-1 syrup and that has a much silkier mouthfeel, which in turn kind of makes it feel sweeter. It's not actually sweeter, it just feels more like candy. I think that when you have coffee and pineapple in a daiquiri, it's already going to have that really nice foam and creaminess. If you shake it really hard with good ice, get it really aerated and fine strain it, I think that's probably the way to go here. I don't think that using nitrogen and everything is really like giving me that much for how much money and time. It's not worth it. So just shake your daiquiris. This is really good though. We'll try some other nitro stuff and see. I'm sure that there are some drinks out there where this could really, really help. But in this case, this is great. Is it worth it? No, probably not. Cheers.